Naomi! 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 Perimeter.
Miss Valedetta, I checked the perimeter.
And now you're napping.
But
Tell me how the perimeter looks from down there! Look, Naomi, it's one of you.
What is it you desire? What? The Fallen? Were you supposed to be?
Get up. We're lying low. No excess lights or sounds. Set up the tent. Put these somewhere for me. Fire. This place may be stimulated, but a warrior must eat.
'Tis a carnotaurus.
And
We are not cannibalistic.
all this time wasted on you, and you still can't act like a proper woman.
Well, I am here, are I not?
Do you think they just hand out participation trophies in the archives? All those men and children are on the other side praying for us. You treat it like summer camp. This is natural selection. Though we were that force towards the fallen, we ourselves were never immune to her. Guess it's true she doesn't pick favorites.
That's right. The Fallen. So you see them too.
What?
Their wings are blocking out the moonlight, even now.
Naomi, what the hell are you talking about?
So beautiful, but just out of reach.
I don't give a shit if you can't wash the blood off your hands. Don't drag me down with you. Talking to ghosts. Cracking after just a week? When are you going to take this seriously? Do you even care about anything anymore? Why did they choose you?
I still don't know what they want from me.
You're kidding me. We were followed? Shut up and stay low if you know what's good for you.
What is it that you desire? Money? Power? Sex? Glory? Capture it.
Naomi, what the hell did you do? Naomi, where are you? Naomi, link to me now! Naomi!